future subscriber. Again, this is Dorna Gomez, and today we're celebrating Easter Sunday! Yes! Medyo maingay na yung background ko. And naka-outfit ang lola mo because streaming kami sa bahay. Dahil lockdown. Dito lang kami ngayon. So, ayan! Hi, Daddy! Yola, and here's my baby! Ayan! Tapos na siyang mag-swimming. So, nagtataka kayo kung bakit wala si Ate. She has a period now, so accepted siya mag-swimming. So, ayan! Ano ba yung activity na hinihanda ko para sa aking mga anak? Mamaya mag-paint kami ng egg. So, the usual Easter hunting, pero baka kami hindi na namin gagawin. Baka mag-paint na lang kami ng egg. And, yun. Swimming the whole day. So, see you later! Yes! Yes! I'm back! And today, lunchtime na. Ayan! Since Easter Sunday, and hindi naman sinabing bawal ang porky, pero sawa na kasi kami sa mga pork and chicken. Yes, Dad? Ano yun? Ayan! Kakain na kami! So, ang aming ulam for today, ayan, isang fish and ampalaya. Hindi kami bitter, but ampalaya is healthy. So, ayan. And we have watermelon. Yan. So, later on, nagpipaint ang aking mga anak. Then, ready na ang aming egg. So, yan. So, kakain muna kami. Yan. Nalaro sila. Hi, Daddy! Ayan. Ayan! So, we're back. And now, we're gonna paint the egg. Gaya ng sinabi ko, today is Easter. And, I prepare an activity for my kids. And that is painting the egg. So, yan. Start na tayo. So, I let my kids choose the design. Magbabrowse na lang sila sa internet. And they will choose their own design. So, let's do it! Come on! It's basta. No. So I choose this one. Yes, Daddy. What are you saying?
We'll go there.
Alright, I just hope to get. Yeah, mine is almost done. So I just let it dry. And then, Ate, can you explain what you're doing?
I'm doing another egg. I'm painting another egg.
And what's your idea about your egg? Or what is that?
I'm painting a galaxy egg.
What's the other one? It's color pink. Is it the same?
No, permanently I just made it.
And how about
random.
Yola?
A
What's your
randomly
inspiration
painted
about that?
egg. I don't.
What are you painting, anak? Is it a dragon fruit jar? What is that?
Dragon egg.
Dragon egg! Wow, cool. And mine is this.
Keeper, tapos ka na kumain?
Happy Easter! So, done. Hi! And we're done! Ayan. So, ito na yung mga gawa ng anak ko. And the yellow one is mine. Ay, gising na yung baby ko. Nakagising lang. Hi, baby! So, ayan. Hindi nakasali yung baby ko kasi tulog siya. So, yung two kids ko lang yung gumawa ng Easter egg. Ayan. So, say hi, ate!
Hi.
Yolo, say hi! Ayan. So, we're fixing na kasi pupunta kami sa aking mother-in-law. So, yeah. So, I'm back. Ayan. Pupunta kami ngayon sa aking mother-in-law. So, yan. Sa family ng husband ko. Magsa-celebrate din kami ng Easter. Actually, every Easter Sunday talaga fiesta dun sa side ng in-laws ko. Dahil, yun nga, fiesta. Kaya lang, parang yung santo yata, hindi siya akma dun sa araw mismo na sineselebrate yung fiesta. It's supposed to be August. So, from Easter, sineselebrate yung fiesta ng August. Kaya lang, since nakasanayan na ng in-law ko, naghahanda na lang kami ng konti. So, salo-salo na lang kami every Easter Sunday. So, ayan, papunta na kami doon. So, hindi ko muna sila sasama sa aking video. So, from here, magpapaalam na ako. So, I'll see you on my next vlog. So, guys, say Happy Easter Sunday! Happy Easter, guys! Enjoy your Sunday! Bye!